An audit revealing cracks in Maryland's foster care system, followed by a tragic death of a teen in a hotel under the state supervision, continues to spark frustration from lawmakers on both sides of the political aisle.
These kids are largely left behind.
The audit obviously identified a number of items that were of concern, and so it was alarming.
As well as advocates.
Did the findings from that audit surprise you, given your work and what you've done over the last decade working in this arena?
No. Unfortunately, it's a reality of the work that we do every day.
Delegate Mike Griffith, a Republican who spent most of his teen years in foster care, is working on a plan called the Never Again Act of 2026, or Kanaya's Law.
It should not take an audit. It should not take someone's death to get people to finally pay attention to what we're doing to these foster kids.
The problems identified in this audit are not new for the state's foster care system.
Joining me now to talk about this proposal is Delegate Mike Griffith.
Something he noted while on Fox 45 News In Depth.
Why do you think this year will be different?
Well, for a couple of reasons. I think this tragedy cuts across all parties, all demographics. People are focused on it. Folks like you, Mackenzie, are bringing this to the forefront, banging the drum, making sure it's not being left behind.
16-year-old Kanaya Ward struggled with her own mental health. Her family turned to the state for help. The Department of Human Services placed her in a hotel in Baltimore City, contracted with Fenwick Behavioral Services to provide a one-to-one aid, but on September 22nd,
I'm in the Marriott Hotel.
Ward was found dead in the hotel.
For a fatal overdose of a juvenile.
The medical examiner's office ruled her death a suicide, stemming from an active ingredient in Benadryl. The autopsy report notes an empty medication bottle was found, along with a detailed note.
So they're just there supposedly to supervise them at all times to make sure that while they're in the hotel placement, they are in a safe environment.
Tammy Johnson is a court-appointed special advocate, or CASA, case supervisor in Cecil County. She's worked with foster care kids for a decade and says one-to-one aides can provide support for the kids. But she says the system is strained and there's a lack of providers as well as programs.